Me, can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deandra, the Opinionated Chic, and today I'm back with another amazing video. You guessed it. We're doing a fashion overhaul. Now, firstly, before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for all your likes, share, and the subscriptions for my previous video. Guys, I really appreciate the love, and I'm gonna ask you, just ensure that you leave a thumbs up on this video and a comment into the comment section. It lets YouTube know that you love my video and they push out my content. So the first that I do and cue the chicken, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I have the bag here. Let's go cut it open. So it's quite a few things from Fashion Over, and we're gonna. Alright, so let's start with this package. Now, as I say, I'm just opening them. I don't know what items are. I don't even remember everything that I bought, so I'm just gonna be opening them now and trying them on. Oh, this is cute. Cute little cute dress. All right, so let's put it on in 3. All right, so this is the first dress. This is the side. This is the back. Alright, I love this one. I love the material. It feels like cotton. I love the fabric. I love how it fits. I really like this. I'm not going to lie. This is nice, cute. I know you dress it up. Yes, so far so good. So let's move on to the next. Alright, so this is the next item. I like this. It's giving some little, I don't know if you can see, string up details on the side. It's really cute. It's denim. You're gonna see me keep pulling it up is because the back isn't fully up. That's as far as I could pull it right now. But this is cute. That's the side. One closer. That's the side. And this is the back. So for all these items, I'll be leaving the link down into the comment section so that you guys can purchase this dress if you want. And as I say, it's denim and it's good, nice, strong material. Alright, so on to the next. Alright guys, so this is the next item. No, before I step back, I just want to tell you, this is an extra large. It's not my size. However, because they had a sale on the site, Fashion Nova had like an 8% off sale or something like that. I know that usually either large or medium fits me. So I say, you know what, I'm going to chance it to get it and then maybe I can get it tailored. So let us pretend that if it was actually my size, it would have probably fit me different. I mean, the top part is okay. I mean, I could take it in a little bit to get a more cinched look. But this is what the bottom looks like. And the bottom isn't looking bad either. This is the side, this is the back. But for the foot, don't know if you can see, it is long. So I definitely will have to get it cut. But for the most part, it's baggy. It kind of, I think it should fit big. I'll just have to do like a little adjustment on this. But the color is nice, the fit is nice. It doesn't have any pockets, which for me, I love pockets. I am obsessed with stuff that have pockets. When it have pockets, it's like a big A+ for me. But that doesn't take away from this beautiful romper. It's so cute. I love the material, and I feel like if I even do get it tailored, it will be just fine. So I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I like it. It can go on. It now give me no. I mean, if I was able to return it, probably I'd return it for a different size. But as I said to you, this was the only size that they had. I loved it. I was like, alright, just get it and then you can fix it. So that's on me for getting such a big size. But apart from that, as I say, the front, the side, and the back. So yeah, on to the next. Okay guys, so in the previous romper that I just tried, obviously it didn't fit me because it's not my size. Well, this one is a medium and it's definitely my size. To be honest, when I saw this, I'm like, me pick out this because it don't look familiar, like it's something that I remember. But now that I have it on, I realize that it's so nice. This is what the design is giving. It's really cute. I feel like I can definitely dress this up. It fit me snug. There's no adjustments that I'd probably make. I feel like the only thing is that I'm short, and most of these clothes are not short girl friendly. I'm very short and petite. So I always have to get my stuff like cut because it's not the foot fit me. So probably if I'm wearing heels, I'll be fine. But if I decide that I want to wear this with like flats on, so I definitely will have to tailor the foot part, which is not a problem to me. It's something that I've been doing my whole life, so I'm okay with it. But I love this piece. This is the sides. So the side fits. This is the back. So yeah, and remember guys, I'm going to be leaving a link in the comment section to all these pieces once they're still available and on the site. I'll leave a link, so if you're interested and like how they fit me and just like how they look in person, even though it's on camera, but you know, you can go ahead and check that out. So on to the next. Alright guys, so these two items are the next items. So I'm going to show you the top first. It's just a crop top. As you can see, I got it started when I was trying it on just now. But this is what the top looks like. The material is cotton, it's soft. All of these items I like. I do have one item so far that I'm saying no to. The skirt is more of a see-through material. And it goes all the way down to the ankle. So this is what the back of the skirt looks like. It's very cinched. I don't know if I can say that it's see-through, but it is in fact see-through. So this is what that looks like. I mean, for the bottom, I definitely wear as like probably like a cover up. If I go into like the beach, or if I have probably like a slip that could come here, you know, because you want to be modest and stuff. But this is really nice. When I saw this online, I fell in love with just the patterns. It have like this heart, some like heart patterns and stuff, and you know, I already had quite a bit of ideas to say how I dress this up and how I'd wear it and stuff. So yeah, so far, thumbs up. Well, I'm loving these pieces, and you know, Fashion Nova for me can do no wrong. I have ordered from Fashion Nova before and I've never really had a problem. So it's not like some other companies that are probably a hit and miss. I mean, not everything is gonna be perfect, don't get me wrong, but the 90% of the stuff from Fashion Nova are usually good quality. So one more look, front, and of course side. Let's move on to the next piece. All right. Alright guys, so this is the next item. Now, if you're seeing on camera, these are two different shades of green. When I bought them, I mean, it's not that obvious because I bought it to say, okay, I tried to match it like as I said. But now that I'm seeing it in person, it's kind of really obvious. One second. It kind of really obvious that it's not the same grade. However, I mean, I can always wear it together and it's like it's whatever. Or I can wear the bottom with a different top and the top I can wear with something else. So it works regardless. However, I must say that I like these pieces. I love how they fit. I love shorts. You know, me always love my little cute shorts them. The top is nice, perfect to my size. I think this top is medium. I'll show you the front. This is what the front looks like. This is the side, and this is the top I'm showing you, and this is the back. Now the back, one of the straps are open, but I mean that's an easy fix. But let's look at the bottom now. Now the bottom fits me perfectly. This is how I like when my shorts fit me. Perfect. A shorts like this, I feel like I will have to check out the website, because this shorts definitely I feel like I get it in probably like a black or a navy blue or something else. But yeah, these are nice. I love them. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We're growing, so please do that. Thank you. All right. Oh my god, listen, the struggle. Yeah, every Beyonce say, if you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Trust me, this is not a jeans pants, but my jump. No, I'm not showing you the top because I did not buy this top on Fashion Over, but I just paired it. I just got the first top on my fire. The pants, however, is what I am reviewing and showing you. This is the side of the pants. This is the back of the pants. And this is how it fits. Oh. If you watched my previous video, you know that I bought one of these. And if you know that I bought one of these, you know how that one fits. The whole right here is the baggy. If you can see, this one cinch me in. You can see everything on me and try if I hide. This one cinch me in. This don't need no alterations. This is perfect. This fit me so snug, so perfect. Then not only that, the material of these pants is so thick. It just kind of snatch you up. I was not expecting this because I bought this one and I'm like, I don't have a lot of these type of pants in my collection. So even though I got one from my previous video, which if you want to see that haul, go ahead and watch that previous video and then come back and watch this one. I was like, let me just get it because it can't go wrong. Girl, get this one, ditch the other one, because the quality, it's so thick. It took me a good 5 minutes to come to jump up in this a while ago. Like my so no sir, I feel myself in this. But I said no lie, I feel myself like, girl, start now, be so for real. Be so for real. Fashion Over, you do with this. I really love it. Can't stop talking about it. But let's move on to the next. The next one is also going to be a pants. So, on to the next. Whew. Alright. Jeans. So, same top but a different bottom, which is this jeans pants. Here. I probably could have sized up on this. I mean, it fits me snug. I don't have much complaint about the jeans. It's just that it's really tight, and I feel like probably I could have sized up one more size. You know how it is with jeans. It's really a hit or miss. So sometimes they fit it perfectly and then sometimes they don't. When if you're seeing that, I don't have any like the extra fabric around here. Cause sometimes I don't like how jeans hug. Alright guys, so as I was saying, these jeans are pretty good. You know, people always say jeans from Fashion Nova are really the best. I don't have any complaints. The only thing that I say is that I could probably size up. Probably one more size on this because it feels me so tight and I don't like when my jeans are too tight. It made my skin itch me after a while of having it on because it's just too tight. So, but I have no complaints. It fit me snug, no extra fabric around here, so unnecessary. You know, you can see that it's good quality. This is what the back looks like. And this is the side. And yeah. So jeans good. I didn't have any less of an expectation for the jeans. So let's move on to our last item, which is a dress. And I'll tell you, let me try it on first before I bring it down. I'll just try it on before I come with the negative. Alright, last but not least is this beautiful sequins dress. And I'm saying beautiful because now that I have it on, it looks really nice. I love the green. I feel like it's doing something for my skin tone. I really like it. I love how the dress fits. Fit me nice. I love the back. The back have a little crisscross thing going on here. So that's nice, and that's how it looks. This is the side. So this dress isn't bad. Earlier I said I'll go bring it down because I don't know why I buy sequins. Sequins is one of the hardest fabrics to wear because sometimes the sequins are harsh on your skin and it kind of scratch like on parts like these, like your arm and stuff. So if you're wearing sequins, sometimes you know you probably have to wear a jacket or something because the material can be uncomfortable. However, I have to say so far so good. I'm not feeling a lot of sticks and stuff right here along my arms. However, you know, if you have it on for an extended period of time, it's gonna get uncomfortable, and that is one of the reasons why, even though sequins is so beautiful, because let's bring it up a little closer. See, it's a really pretty green. Even though the sequins material is so beautiful, it can be a little hard to wear. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I usually try to show you like my favorite item out of all the clothes that I got. For this haul, I have two items that I really love. One is this first pink dress. This dress, I love it. I feel like it accentuates my body so nice. It hugs me in all the right places. I really like this dress. And last but not least, this jumper. I loved it. I love the material, and I feel like it also fit me and hugged me in the right places. So those are my top two items. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Bye.